Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. They're going to show you our dual color LED light. Those LED lights for fog lights have yellow and white color in them. They will be switched on and off, changing the colors every time you turn on and off the fog lights. The first time you turn the vehicle on, they're always going to default to white. Then you're going to do the switch on off, they're going to have white again, and then it's going to start changing between the colors. White, yellow, white, yellow, white, yellow. So we're going to turn the lights to on. Vehicle lights. Okay, now we're going to turn the fog lights. As you can see, it's default to white. Turn the lights off and on. As you can see, it stayed white. And again. And now we have the yellow. Turn the lights on, off again. And now it's white. On, off again. Yellow. The LED light with the dual color is available at Car System Installation. We're going to have a link to purchase the system online on our website. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.